Hi all, I'm Shravan, 4th semester BSc Zoology, Society College. This is a brief account of order Cetacea. Cetacea is a group of whales, dolphins, and porpoises, which are completely aquatic mammals, well adapted for a life in water. Members include toothless forms such as baleen whales and toothless whales such as sperm whales, bottlenose whales, beaked whales, killer whales, dolphins, and porpoises. Cetaceans are very ancient. They have exploited all available aquatic habitats such as oceans, seas, estuaries, and rivers. One species, Lipotis vexillifer, lives in the lake of the Yangtze River in China, 900 kilometers away from the sea. Modern cetaceans have several morphological and physiological adaptations for an entirely aquatic life. Some of these adaptations are neoformations, some are modifications, and yet others are degenerations. Cetaceans are a pair of horizontally expanded and fleshy lateral floors at the tip of the long tail. These serve as propelling organs. They also have a fleshy dorsal fin which serves as a balancer. They also exhibit hyperdactyly or extra digits and hyperphalangy or extra phalanges. These strengthen their forelimbs. Modifications to the cetacean body are a streamlined, tapering, and torpedo-shaped body for easy movement in water. Modification of forelimbs as oar-like swimming paddles called flippers. These serve as rudders and stabilizers in steering and balancing. Next is a thick layer of dermal fat called blubber. It favorably alters the body volume during deep diving, reducing the specific gravity of the body for floating, acts as a heat insulator and serves as a reservoir of stored nutrients. Their nostrils or blowholes are shifted to a postero-dorsal position in the snout. Then, the formation of capillary networks in some parts called retia mirabilia for storing oxygen during underwater stay. They have non-lobular lungs and obliquely expanded and highly muscular diaphragm for fully respiratory movements and maximum ventilation of lungs. Elongation of the facial region of the skull and dorsoventral compression or telescoping of the cranial region for easily darting through the water, and shortening compression and fusion of neck vertebrae with the spongy skull. Their stomach is subdivided into digestive chambers and have a simple bilobed liver. The degenerations of cetacean body are the loss of projecting structures such as hind limbs, pinnae, and hairy covering, loss of fingernails, skin glands, lacrimal glands, etc. Whales are swift swimmers and deep divers. They can remain underwater for several minutes. On coming to the surface for breathing in air, they forcibly blow out the used warm and moist air from lungs through blowholes. This air condenses to a thick cloud, which can be seen from a long distance. This phenomenon is called as spouting or blowing. Classification of Cetacea. Cetacea includes three suborders, namely Archaeoceti, Mysticoceti, and Odontoceti. Archaeoceti includes extinct forms from Eocene and Oligocene period. Examples are Eocetus, Protocetus, Papocetus, Basilosaurus, or Zeuglodon. Mysticeti comprises the toothless baleen whales. Odontoceti comprises toothed whales, dolphins, and porpoises. Baleen whales are the toothless whales in which blowholes are paired and teeth are replaced by a double series of 300 to 400 triangular bony plates called baleen plates or whale bones. Baleen plates hang down from the sides of the palate. Their inner edges are frayed into a fringe of soft bristles, which form a matted sieve or strainer for filtering and collecting planktonic food. During feeding, the whale takes a mouthful of water along with the floating organisms. Then it shuts its mouth, raises its tongue, and forces out water through the baleen plates. Small suspended organisms get trapped in the baleen net. Baleen whales are mostly very large creatures, generally inhabiting the colder seas. The examples are Megaptera, the humpback whale, Balanoptera, the blue whale, Balena, the right whale, Caperia, the pygmy right whale, and Asclepius, the grey whale. Balena is an Arctic whale, which is now very rare and seriously endangered. Blue whales, also called fin whales or rorquals, are toothless baleen whales. The blue whale, Balanoptera musculus, is the largest living animal. It may grow up to 35 meters and nearly 150 tons. It is common in Arctic and Atlantic waters but often migrates to temperate waters for breeding. Blue whale is blue above and white below. It is characterized by small head, double blowhole, a small dorsal fin, slightly curved jaws, absence of teeth, and the presence of numerous triangular bony plates called baleen plates or whale bones. The Greenland right whale is a toothless baleen whale confined to the far north. It is characterized by the enormous size of the head, long and thin baleen plates, and arched rostrum. Adult whale attains a length of about 18 meters. Head exceeds nearly one-third length of the body. The animal is exclusively a plankton feeder. By the end of the 19th century, this species was hunted almost to extinction. Other species of right whales include black right whale, inhabiting temperate seas, and pygmy right whale, known from South Hemisphere. Toothed whales are the whales with toothed jaws and unpaired blowhole. Dentition is homodont and monophyodont. In general, they inhabit warmer waters, actively feeding on squids and fishes. Main examples are Phycester, the sperm whale, Kogia breviceps, the rare pygmy sperm whale, Ocinus, the killer whale, Pseudorca crassidens, the false killer whale, Globicephala melina, piled whale, Leperodon, the bottle-nosed whale, Ziphius caverostris, the quiver's whale, etc. Phycester castrodon is the largest of all toothed whales. The hardened intestinal secretion of sperm whales forms an odorous substance called ambergris, which is used in perfumery. Phycester catodon, the sperm whale, is the largest toothed whale. Adult males grow to about 25 meters, but adult females rarely exceed 12 meters. Sperm whale is characterized by massive and barrel-shaped head, relatively slender but powerful and toothed lower jaw with 18 to 28 homodont teeth in each half, large upper jaw with vestigial teeth, absence of dorsal fin, etc. Sperm whale is gregarious and primarily an inhabitant of warmer tropical oceans. Adult males are usually found in colder seas also. The food of sperm whales mainly consists of squids. The commercially important byproducts of sperm whales include spermaceti oil and ambergris. Spermaceti is a waxy substance obtained from the head. It is used as a lubricant, as a base of cosmetics, and also as an ingredient of candle. Ambergris is a rare, hardened gastric or intestinal secretion. It is used as a fixative of perfumes. Sperm whales have been widely hunted for their oil. Consequently, in the 1950s, their numbers fell to a critically low level. However, they have now recovered from the danger of extinction. Orca or killer whale is a ferocious toothed whale of worldwide distribution. Adult male grows to a length of 9 meters and female up to 5 meters. Body is black above and white below. There are 10 to 12 strong homodont teeth on each side of both the jaws. In fully grown males, flipper and the triangular dorsal fin become greatly enlarged. Killer whales are powerful, aggressive, and voracious, usually moving in groups known as pods. It preys on fishes, seabirds, dolphins, and porpoises, and even attack large whales. Each pod has varying and specific hunting techniques depending on their region. Its breeding season is believed to be in winter, and the gestation period is probably last over a year. Dolphins are large-brained, exceptionally intelligent, and highly sociable mammals. Their upper jaw forms a beak, which distinguishes them from porpoises. The common dolphin has a cosmopolitan distribution and grows up to 2.5 meters and has characteristic streaks on the flanks. Laginorhynchus has a plow-shaped snout. Bottlenose dolphin, dusky dolphin, rhesus dolphin, etc. are other examples. Plantanista gangetica is the Indian river dolphin inhabiting the Ganges and Indus. Dolphins are well known for their especially enlarged brain, high intelligence, powers of echolocation, and extraordinary problem-solving powers. They can produce vocal sounds, some of which are used for echolocation. Porpoises are small beakless cetaceans, mostly of the genus Phocina. The common porpoise is widely distributed in the coastal waters of North Atlantic and Mediterranean. It often moves in pods, feeding on fishes. Burmisters porpoise and spectacled porpoise live in South American waters. Truce porpoise inhabits the coastal waters of Japan. Dall's porpoise is found in Alaska. The finless black porpoise is an estuarine species found in Indian waters. Thank you.